Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a business on Google Maps. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate and open the Google Maps on your phone. Once Google Map is open up on the screen, from the bottom menu, tap on the plus icon named Contribute. On this page, find Add Place and tap to proceed next. Here you need to add your business details like place name that you can type your business name, select category and enter address or type on added map location and find the location where you want to add business. Once you are done, tap on OK. Once you have filled everything in, tap on submit button. And that's it. This is how you can add business on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.